folks, Keith Talbert here. Today I want to talk about personal protective equipment that's needed on a construction site. Why do we need PPE? Well, it's the law. 29 CFR 1926.28 subpart C through E, the Code of Federal Regulations, says that an employer will make sure that employees are safe on the job. The annual death rate right now is 13 deaths a day, which is like 3.3 for every 100,000 construction workers. The type of accidents that take people out, the fatal four are falls, electrocutions, struck by objects, and caught between objects. Now typically you'll show up on a job site, they may have some type of a poster that tells you what you should be using, but the common things that you'll see include a hard hat, a high visibility vest, safety glasses. All of these must be rated by the American National Standards Institute. They may ask you to wear gloves, and depending on the type of work you're doing, it'll be what type of glove to have. And also they'll ask for protective footwear, which boots are usually the choice. If you're working at elevations, they'll ask for a steel shank. And if you're working around heavy objects, they'll ask for steel caps. If there's loud noises on the job site, they'll ask for ear protection, which is usually just little foam inserts that you stick into your ears. And if you got heavy dust, they'll ask for some type of a respirator. If you're working off of elevations, you should be wearing a safety belt of some sort with D-rings and a lanyard. The lanyard could be a heavy web belt like this. It could be a light web, or it can be a rope. And these are just depending on what type of work that you're going to be doing. The main thing is to study. Most construction sites will ask that you take a 40-hour class studying the Code of Federal Regulations for the construction industry. But the main thing is if you're out on a job site, be careful.